Hey guys, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. So in this video, I will share with you a job opening from Malta. It's a European country. Hope you all know that. So guys, today I will explain what is the job openings, how to apply, and how to get work permit from Malta, and how to move Malta with a job. So guys, as you can see here, the job is chef parent required in Malta. As you can see here, job summary, AX hotels are looking for a chef parent. The primary responsibilities include assisting the outlet head chef and the sous chefs in their daily tasks and providing overall guidance to the cooks. So you can take a look of the responsibilities. I will explain you a few of the points. So ensure all food is correctly prepared, fresh of the highest quality to the correct recipe and in the right quantity. Maintain an organized and efficient flow of production regarding changes in forecast and menus. Oversee the kitchen staff as a middle manager. So this is all about the responsibilities. So take a look of the requirements. This is the basic requirements to apply for this job. You should have graduate course in cooking and HACCP, minimum of 3 years working experience as a chef in a delicate setting, ability to manage and control other members of kitchen staff, ability to direct and plan food preparation. So you know all about the responsibilities and the requirements about this job. If you are really eligible for this job, please drop your CV and all the requirement documents, your educational certificates, your experience certificates to the given official email ID. Once you sending your official all documents to the official email ID, if your CV will be shortlisted, you can get a notifications by your email for the interview date and time. In that particular date, you have to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, the company will process for all the things like medicals and visa process. Then you can move to Malta with your job. So first of all, you need to understand what is the requirements. If you are fulfilling the requirements, then you have to apply. After you apply, you have to attend the interview. After you getting success the interview, the company will process for the all the things. Let's go to next job. Next job is account executive required in Malta. So if you belongs to accounting professionals or if you are belongs to commercial background, so you can apply for this job. So as you can see here, job summary, AX hotels Lema Properties are looking for a high motivated, meticulous and responsible team player with strong leadership and goal oriented skills to join their growing team. So take a look of responsibilities to apply for this job. To work as a accountant executive, you should have advanced level of education in accounting, a minimum of 2 years of working experience, and you should have basic computer skills, and you should have experience in a similar role will be considered. Good knowledge of opera will be considered. Experience in a hotel will be considered. Can do approach will and within basic computer skills. Highly motivated with good time management skills. Strong attention to details. Excellent communication skills to have the requirements to apply for this job. So this is the responsibilities. Your responsible will be posting of invoices, bank reconciliations, cashiering, maintenance, accounting documents and records, general ledger processing, performing any other duties that may be required for the smooth running of the finance department. So this is all about the responsibilities and this is all about the basic requirements to apply for this job. If you are really eligible for this job and if you are fulfilling the requirements as per mentioned by the employer right here, then you can apply by drop your CV and all the documents to give me official email ID. I already told you once you drop your CV, if your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a notifications to attend the interview. So you have to alert in that date and you have to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, the all process will be done by the company. So today I already shared with you two jobs, recent job openings from Malta, and the job is chef and second job is accountant executive. So guys, if you're belongs to these professionals, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible by the official email ID. So please share this information to your friends and relatives who want to move forward with a job. And also, if you are really eligible for this job, don't be late. Apply as soon as possible. And please utilize this information and share to all of your friends. So, guys, Lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. In the next video, I'll try to give you the information about the latest job from the other countries. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.